$248 per day by giving away a free book? Now wait just a minute, is this real? How am I making money if I'm giving away something for free? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. And even if you've never made a single dollar online, even if you don't have lots of time or anything to invest up front, you can make money with this strategy too. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and get ready, because you are about to be mind blown. So the book that we're going to be giving away in this video is a book called Traffic Secrets. This is a recently released book at the time that I'm, of course, filming this. I also got a copy of this book myself right here. So this book right here is about how to get traffic to your offer. So if you are in internet marketing, if you're growing any sort of online business, the number one thing that any business really needs is, of course, traffic. So this book in particular is a book that you could actually get for free. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But I'm also going to show you how you could, of course, make money by giving away this book for free. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to first go into Google real quick, and you're going to want to search for the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So just search up ClickFunnels affiliate program right here. Click on search, and this is going to bring you up a bunch of different results right here. The link in particular that we're going to look for is this link right here that says ClickFunnels affiliate signup. So you want to click on this link right here, and this is going to take you over to this page where you can, of course, get logged in as an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Now, if you have a ClickFunnels account already, what you want to do is you'll want to log in with this button right here under ClickFunnels users. Otherwise, if you don't have an account for ClickFunnels, you'll want to go ahead and create one with this red button right here. So you could either log into your account, or you could, of course, set up a free account with ClickFunnels right there. But what I'm actually going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and log into my ClickFunnels account. And then from there, I'm going to show you exactly where to go. So we can just click on that button right there. And from here, since I'm already logged in, what I'll do in this case is I'm going to hover over my name, and I'm going to click on the tab that says affiliates. Once you click on this tab, it's going to bring you over to this page right here, where it's pretty much going to go over exactly what the affiliate program is all about. And you can, of course, check out any of the different offers that they have. Now, in this case specifically, the book that we're going to be giving away is this book right here called Traffic Secrets. And I pretty much, I'd already explained what this book is all about. But if you want to, of course, get access to this book yourself, you could actually get access to this for free. I'll have a link down below where you can, of course, check that out. And you can, of course, get this book for free. Now, this book you could actually get for free because on the back end, there are upsells along the way. So this is one of those books where you can get it simply by just paying for shipping. And the reason why they give this book for free is because they have upsells on the back end, which the author, Russell Brunson, he's very confident that most of his customers who end up, ordering the book, they end up getting the upsells. So, if you want, you could, of course, choose to pick up the upsells if they, of course, make sense to you. I think they have like the audio version of the book if you want to get access to that as well. Otherwise, if you just want the book itself, then really all you need to do is just pay for shipping, and they'll, of course, send that out to you. So if you, of course, want to get that book, I do recommend, of course, checking that out, especially if you are, trying to grow any sort of business online. But if you want to give away this book and make money from it, all you'd have to do is click on the button right here that says Start Promoting Now. So when you click on this button, this is going to take you to where you can, of course, get access to your affiliate link. And here, what you want to do is scroll down a bit. So there is a link right here that says where it says Traffic Secrets book. It's this button right above that says Get My Links. So when I click on this button right here, this is going to bring up the page where you can, of course, check out this book for yourself. It gives you your own affiliate link, and you can, of course, decide to promote this link. So the way how this works is anytime someone goes through this link specifically, which would be your own affiliate link, if they go through this link and they decide to order the book, then you, of course, get paid that commission. Now, anytime someone decides to order this book and, they pay for shipping, you get a $1 commission. Now, that may not sound like a lot, but hear me out on this. If someone decides to go and pick up any of the upsells, let me see if I can go back to that page, you can get an additional $248.60 without you having to do any additional selling on the back end. So you don't have to convince people to buy any of these upsells, because Russell Brunson, the creator of this book, has those videos in place where he pretty much does all the selling and follow-up for you. So really, your main focus with this is just giving away this book for free. Now, the question is, how do you actually go about giving away this book for free and getting people to get this exact book right here? Well, there's a few ways you could, of course, go about it. In this video specifically, I want to show you 3 ways you could use to actually give away this book for free. So once you have your own affiliate link that you have, to, of course, promote, what you could, of course, do is you could, for one, you can go over to facebook.com and you could look for groups in that specific niche. So for example, if you have a book to give away, and if it's in like the business niche, what you could do is you could find, you could search up either business books, you could search up, anything relating to online business or anything like that, and then you could of course join any of these groups right here. So in this case, there's a group called Ben's Big Business Book Club, has over 1,000 members. We've got business books and discussions for internet marketers that has 1,000 members. So you could either search up, business books, or you could just search up, online business opportunities, something like that. And in this case, it looks like, this group right here has over 200,000 members, 200,000 people that you could actually connect with that are interested in growing an online business. And here's the thing, right? This book in particular that we're going to be giving away teaches everything that you need to know about how to get traffic to your business, to your product, to whatever it is that you're trying to sell online. And anyone who's looking to grow a business online or offline, they need to understand how to get traffic, because without traffic, you can't really expect to sell anything in the long term. So that's why right now, currently, since this book was, recently released at the time of me filming this book, the information in here is in super high demand. So people, of course, are looking to learn exactly how to do what is taught in this book so that they could, of course, get more customers in the door, make more sales, more money, all that type of stuff. So what you could do is you can go into a group like Online Business Opportunities, and you could decide to create a post. So, you can click on Create a Post and write something along the lines of, if you have anything that you're looking to sell or promote online, the number one thing you need is traffic. In other words, you need to find a way to get in front of a targeted audience. Without this, you will struggle to make money online. That's why I decided to give away a free book that will teach you everything you need to know regarding traffic generation. Again, if you aren't getting people to click on your link and buy, you're not making money. So all you have to do is type free in the comments and I'll send it over. So this is actually what I decided to, of course, write. You don't have to, use this exact verbatim here, but you could create your own message, just kind of put it in your own words, talk about, why this, the information is so important, and then give a call to action. Say, if you want this book, just type in free, put a 1 in the comments, or type in info, whatever it is that you would, feel to, put there. And then if you want, you could even include like an image of yourself with the book, like I'm doing in this case right here. So that's me, holding the book right there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the post button right here. Now what's gonna happen is this post will then get put in the group right there, and anyone who of course sees this, if they want to check this book out for themselves, all they have to do is write a comment and just type in free, and that's pretty much all they have to do. And then from there, you could then reach out to them in Messenger, and you could send them the link, or you could even reply to the comment and just send them the link that way. And then that way, they could of course check out the book, and from there, all they really have to do is of course pay for shipping, and then they of course get the book. And anyone who of course decides to pick up any of the upsells on the back end, which Russell Brunson, he is really good at upselling people, then you of course get paid those commissions as well. So this is one way you can go about it. You could create a post in a Facebook group. You could post in multiple groups, share the book that you are of course trying to recommend. And what I would also recommend is perhaps actually reading the book yourself, so that this way you can get a better understanding of it. You can learn exactly what it's all about. And again, if you want to check this book out for yourself, I will include a link down below where you can of course go ahead and check it out. But this is one way you can go about it. Let's move on to the next method, which is creating a review. Now, I've talked about this on a few of my videos before in the past. Product reviews is one of the best ways to make money online, very early on, fairly quickly, because anytime someone goes on YouTube, especially if it's like a video review, and they search up, product name plus review, they are very likely in that buying mode. And on top of that, in this case, you're giving away something that is for free. So someone is looking up Traffic Secrets book review. They want to know, okay, is this book actually worth picking up? Is this worth reading? Is it worth going through? Can I actually get more traffic by reading the information that's in here and of course applying the strategies? So this is what people want to know when they look up product name plus review. So if you can create a video and you can give a well thought out review, go exactly over what it's all about, explain what's inside, and then you can give a call to action at the end of your video, which in this case, the way that I actually picked up this book was from a channel by the name of John Chow. And funny thing is, I've actually been following this guy since I think since like mid 2017. When I was first getting into this whole online marketing stuff, John Chow was one of the first guys that I started following online. So he created a video review of this book, and I've seen, you know, the review, and I decided to, of course, check this book out myself. He had a link down below where I could, of course, buy the book. And when I clicked on this link and I bought the book, he, of course, got paid the commission right there. So I even left a comment, right here at the time that I ordered it. Just ordered this and excited to go through it. That was how I actually picked up the book myself. So if you could create a video review and you could, of course, explain what it's all about and you give a well thought out review, this is one of the easiest ways to make money by giving away something that is for free. So product reviews is something that I highly recommend anyone does if you, of course, are looking to make money rather quickly. But the third method to, of course, give this a book away for free is something that not many people are talking about, but it is something that is pretty easy and pretty easy to do. It is by going to ebay.com and creating a listing. Now, what you could do is, if I search up traffic secrets right here, there are a few people that are currently, looks like they're selling it for like, $4, $5. They're selling the book that way. So what you could do is you could choose to go this route if you want to, but what I recommend doing is actually creating your own listing and then have something like this in the title where it says, get it for free in the description. So this is actually a listing that I actually just created myself before I started filming. And in this right here, it shows I'm charging $30 for that book. Now, let me ask a question. If someone sees that they can get this book for free, why on earth would they pay $30 to get this book? To me, that just doesn't make any sense. So for that reason, I priced it a little bit high, but then I said, get it for free in the description. So anyone who, of course, searches up on eBay, Traffic Secrets book, and they want to, of course, check this out, if they find my listing, they'll, of course, see, this right here, get it for free in the description, and they'll go, okay, wait a minute, I can get this book for free? So that is when they, of course, go down, they scroll down right here, and then it's somewhere in the description. If I click on read more, right here, actually, where is it? I know it was in here somewhere. Description. Let me see if I could find that real quick. Oh, duh. It's actually right over here. I didn't even see this. So, Traffic Secrets book by Russell Brunson. So this is the description right here. It says, get it for free here. And then this right here would be my affiliate link. So right here it says, just copy and paste that link in your browser. And anyone who takes this link, they copy the whole thing, and they press Control C, and they paste it in their browser. They could choose to pick this book up for free. So they go to this link right here, they land on this page, and they could watch this video from Russell Brunson. He explains what it's all about, and pretty much all someone needs to do is click on this button right here, and then they fill out this information, and then on the next page they just pay the small shipping fee, which is I think like $9 or $10. So pretty much nothing right there, but that is when they could, of course, get the book for free. So those are the 3 strategies that I wanted to go over in this video. Hope you got lots of value in this. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about how to grow an online business, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing more step-by-step, then I do have a link in my description down below, which is this very first link right here. Get instant access to my free training right here. When you click on this link, this is going to take you over to a page just like this, where it'll give you my free 4-day training, and it's going to show you how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So all you really need to do right now to get access to this free training is just go to this page, enter your name, email, click on the button, and from there, you'll get instant access to my free training right there. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up because it will just help the channel. But anyways, take care.